My name is James Peters. I'm the Vice President of New Market Initiatives at LegalZoom.com.
Excellent. And you've come from not so far away today.
Fairly, well, not so far today, just from the hotel, but yesterday I flew in from Los Angeles, so a good ways to get here. So,
this is a 3-4 hour unconference here in Toronto, LawTechCamp. This is their third year. Why are unconferences and events, community events like this, important to you and LegalZoom?
I think they're important for a couple of reasons. For me, one thing that's really important is it's just interesting. You meet a lot of great people, you hear a lot of great ideas, and they're things that you can really take back with you to your everyday job when you have a job like mine, and try to apply them to things that you're doing. I think for LegalZoom as well, it's important for us to stay in touch with the law tech community and new startups so that we can keep an eye on what's happening out there, who's coming up in the world of law tech, and let people know that we're interested. We've been around for a while now, and we're not technically a startup anymore. But we're still very, very much invested in the law tech community and the type of work that goes on.
What does LegalZoom do?
LegalZoom is an online legal services provider. We offer forms that individuals can complete on their own, simplified through sort of easy to understand questionnaire process. We also partner with independent law firms through a legal plan offering to allow those customers to get legal advice paired with those documents. So really trying to be a go-to place for legal needs for small businesses and families. And
as the VP of New Markets, you said, right?
Yeah.
What are some of the things that you're really interested in?
The last couple of years, the primary focus for me really has been in finding ways to integrate attorneys with our product offerings. Originally, LegalZoom was a pure access to do-it-yourself documents, and we've really tried to expand our offerings over the last couple of years to incorporate the possibility or access to legal advice. Right now, we're in the work still on international expansion as well. So coming out and touching base with a sort of different community than we have out in California is a great thing. Great benefit of coming out to this conference in particular.
Excellent. Your thoughts in the news recently. Down in the States, and it's really gone international about some of the things coming out of the NSA. Don't know if you have any thoughts that you can say about that.
Well, I don't want to go too political on things, but I think the info that's come out on the NSA and a few other things over the last couple of years, in particular, the sort of new climate that we all live in, both in terms of technology and politics, is another reason why the law continues to be really important. And we really need people who are invested in the law and understanding it and working to protect the rights of individuals. I think what we do at a lot of events like this, we talk about things that tend to be very consumer focused, and those are important too, because you're talking about getting offerings out to people that they really should have. Estate planning stuff for families, business formation stuff for startups. But we still really need people in law who are interested in the sort of fundamental core concepts, and making sure that we, as a society, understand where we're going. So to me, I'll keep my sort of detailed look at those things to myself for now, but I think it really highlights the importance of the profession.
Nice. How can people connect with you online?
People can connect with me either via Twitter. also on LinkedIn. So if you look up James Peters LegalZoom, you'll get my LinkedIn profile, and I'm happy to connect with anybody in the space there as well.
And LegalZoom can be found at
www.legalzoom.com.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.